Hey guys, before we move on with the tutorial, I just wanted to let you guys know that I am not a hair expert or a hairstylist. I'm just like you guys who is still learning, and I'm just sharing whatever little knowledge I do have. So let's see how you can make this hairstyle. As this hairstyle includes a lot of braids, it would really help if your hair is properly combed. You need to start by making a separate partition for the middle braid first. The rest of the hair is not needed just yet, so I'm gonna tie it out of the way for now. To start the middle braid, just separate a partition of your hair from the front of your head. Divide this hair into 3 separate equal strands. Now start the braid as a normal 3-strand braid, and once you've started the braid, just keep adding in new hair with every weave. Repeat the process until you reach the end of your head. Once you reach the end of your head, stop adding in new hairs and complete the braid as a normal 3-strand braid. And once you're done, just tie it up using a small rubber band. Now you need to make a separate partition on either side of your head for the second braid. Now repeat the steps as you did for the middle braid. Start with 3 separate strands of hair and keep adding in new hair until you reach the end of your head. And after that, just complete the braid as a 3-strand braid. And similarly, you can make the third braid on the other side of your head. Just make sure to tie them up with a rubber band or they're gonna get loose real soon. Now at this point, the hairstyle looks pretty good and you may consider this as your final hairstyle, but I'm gonna go a little further and add in some more braids. Now add 2 more braids on either sides of your head above your ear in similar fashion. Don't worry if you've got too many hairs flying out of your braids. We are going to fix that later. And once you are done with braiding all over your head, just tie it all together in a ponytail. Now at this point the hairstyle is basically complete, but I'm going to make 2 more braids in the neck area to add in some more detail. You can always skip this part if you don't want to add in any more braids. And now the hairstyle is complete. Now I'm gonna use my fingers to add a bit more detail to the hairstyle so that it looks more natural and more dynamic. Now to fix any flyouts that you guys may have, you need to use some sort of hold product. You can use any product of your choice, maybe a wax or something else. I'm using a spray, so I'm gonna spray all over my braids and stick all the flyouts back into the braids. And the hairstyle is finally complete now. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked this video and found out something new and interesting, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and also check out my other videos as well. See you guys in the next one.